So after 2 months using this gym, I'm ready to give my honest review. Most of the time, people will use a home gym maybe one time or two times, and then they'll give it a review, which something is brand new and you could give it the best review. My review is 2 months after use this multiple times. I work out at least 5 to 6 days a week right at home. If you're tired of paying for a gym membership and you don't want to leave your house on a snow or rainy day, bring a home gym system to you. Have your whole complete full body workout with this system. This is the EVOLPOW P3A upgraded tank version power cage, ultimate power cage. Now let's take a look into it right now. I do have to apologize, my lighting is not the best. We are fixing and we lost 2 powers of our light, so we're just using whatever we have. But this is the beautiful power cage system. Also, I have one of their bench 45 bar, and you could see everything right here. I'm going to show you a quick overlook before I start telling you every single thing you really need to know. So this is a full body complete gym. Do every single thing you need to do right here at home. Incredible quality. So far, I put on a lot of weights. I did pull-ups, I did dips, I did every single thing, and the cage does not move. You know, like some cage would really move. This thing barely moves. It's so heavy. It sits down really well, and I did not anchor it all. I did not anchor it. And then with the weights on it too, it holds it on pretty much strong. So I got their weights too. So these are the hands-on grip weight right here. Really nice for any kind of workout with it. And they label their weight. They have their logo. So we have about from 5 pound, 10 pound, 25 pound, 35 pound, and a 45 pound. And you could see storage rack, baby. From the bottom to all the way to the top, it's 83.7 inches in height. From the back to the front, it's 63.4 inches. From the front, left to right, it's 67.7 inches across. Whatever you need to know, check in the description box. I'm also going to leave an exclusive discount code just for you guys. It's about at least 1,500 pounds. So let's start from the top. From the top right here, we have the pull-up bars, and you could see we could do wide pull-ups, inside pull-ups, and it's really nice design and pattern with a really good grip. This is a 2x3 14 gauge steel, really good heavy duty quality, and many different holes. As you could see, they're all labeled with numbers, so you're not unsure what side did you put it there to the level. Everything is organized. And right here we have nice sturdy heavy duty grip handle right here. We have the cable, nice pulley cable system that runs all the way and comes back there. Cables comes from the top right here too, and they come in a loop and all the way down. And then right over there is where you load all of your weights, and I'm going to show you very easy. Over here we have J-hooks. We have 1 hook, 2 hook over there holding this 45 bar. Very strong and nice, and it's a non-slip right there quality. Really, really nice so far. Over here, come in here, we're going to look at this right here. This is your tricep dip bar right here. 2 of them separate. You have a enclosed one and you have a wider grip one, so that's pretty cool. To take these out, it's easy. You just lift it up like that and you pull it out. It's pretty heavy. Everything is heavy. Quality. Good quality. Over here, we have your squat bar or safety bar. This is really good if you're going to squat or if you're going to do bench press or anything like that. This is really good. It easily comes out and go on, and it's made good quality. On each side, you have the band pegs. You have 2 over here and you have 2 right over there. The other thing you're going to see in this package, we have storage rack. We have 1, 2, and 3, and it's like a 2-inch storage rack. So we could load this up with a lot of plates. We have 3 over here, and we have 3 over here. So we have 3 to the left, 3 to the right, which is amazing. And they also send clips and everything. The good thing about this is the weights is not all over to the ground. And if you look on the top right here, I'm going to show you. We could put all of our attachments, like hook them on there. There's a bunch of hooks, which I did put all my bars up there. So that's pretty cool. And they send all that stuff. The good thing about this, they have a lot of different packages that you could choose and stuff like that. And this right here, let's look at this right here. This is the landmine. So a landmine, if no one knows, this is where you put in the 45 bar and you could do tons of workout, from leg workout, shoulder workout, back workout. And also right here have is the footboard, adjustable footboard that comes down and up, and you have this right here that supports it, like right there, which is pretty cool, and I love it. This is one of their bench, very easy to assemble. Everything is easy to assemble. It was not hard if you follow the direction. I love their logo, by the way. So when it comes to the assembly part, I did it by myself. It took me a couple hours. It came in like $3, I believe, because I did get the weights and stuff like that. It was not hard to assemble because you just got to follow the direction. I put a lot of power cage together and a lot of machine and a lot of stuff in my life. It's not that hard, but if you're a beginner and you never put something together, read twice. Read the manual and instruction 2 times. Get a friend to help you out. If you have somebody to help you out, it will done fast and it will done more easier, I think. The delivery was very fast. I am impressed with this company. I'm not gonna be a suck up or anything like this, but I'm gonna tell you the delivery was fast. The discount, everything is good. Everything is great so far. I gotta tell you, the company is pretty good. The machine is pretty good. Coming up, I will be doing a video to show you more of the cable, show you the back, show you how I bench press and everything like that. And this bench right here, I'm gonna show you too. The bench is pretty decent. It's a good quality, but I also know that they have a better, heavier duties quality bench, and I'm like, oh crap, I should have got that, but I ended up getting this, and so far I bench I only did 245 each side, and with the bench it was stable, it did not move. It's pretty good overall, trust me. This is a complete home gym system for all. I'm telling you, I mean, I recommend this gym. I did not have any downfall yet, and it's been over 2 months. No problem, baby. Show you about the bench right here. Listen, this is an honest review. This is just me going through whatever comes to my mind, and you guys need to know. It has a footrest over here. It could adjust right here. The footrest could go 3 different levels. Over here, it's very easy to adjust the seat, and right here you could go from incline to decline very easily, and it does not move because of the rubber over here. It keeps it from not sliding and moving, so that's pretty cool. But overall, I'm gonna tell you guys, save money and get yourself on a really good gym. Home gym system, baby. Stop paying those gym membership and stop traveling, wasting a lot of time to go gain muscle somewhere else when you could gain muscle right at home. And I'm gonna tell you guys, your wife would love keeping you home, baby. Right here, that's where all your weights goes on. You could put on any amount. We put on 2. All right, so I wanted to show you guys one of their weights that I got up close to. It's a nice rubber coated, and you got this nice like grip. You could see right in here. See that little grip right in there? So far I have no complaint. It's a really good home gym system. If you're looking not to spend a lot of money, but you want something good and you want something that you could do a full body, complete body workout, get your hand on this. Check in the description box for price and details and use my discount code. So far on Brown Viking, I'm gonna give this a 2 thumbs up, and we got more videos coming up soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's go, baby.